Hey, it's me, Angie. I'm here in my studio, and a lot of you already know that I make clay kits that you can do at home. You can subscribe and get a new one every month, or you can buy them as trial kits. This month, I'll be shipping these out really soon on the 18th, but I did Tiggly the tiger, which is based on my own little tiny tiger, Tiggly. So I'll post some photos on here of Tiggly K Puff, my cat. But anyways, so yeah, my kits, they come with these full color little booklet instructions. They make really good gifts. They're just a fun, super like self-care artsy thing to do at home. Anyways, these will be coming out in time for you to, if you would like, turn Tiggly into a little Easter bunny. So he's just gonna dress up as the Easter bunny and have a little basket of eggs. So that is what this video is gonna be. So you get this kit, you make the Tiggly, and then you can watch this video and use your little extra clay to do this project of turning him into Easter bunny, because he wants to be Easter bunny really bad. Look at him. He also really wants you to subscribe to my channel. Rawr. Subscribe, please subscribe. So you want to start out with your bag of extra clay. You're going to take the white and cut it into 4 pieces. One of those you'll roll into a snake and then flatten it with the rolling pin. And you might need to adjust the size. Sometimes it's a little too short or too long, so I'll just either pull some clay off or add some from another piece. And then this little wire fan tool is great for making a fur texture. So I'm just using that tool here to fur it up on his little headband. Now 2 of these other pieces I'm gonna roll into sort of tapered ovals and then flatten them. And I'm just gonna make some tiny pink snake to go in there. Cut it in half, flatten it a little bit. And then once I lay them in there in the groove that I already made with the ball tool, I go right back over it with the ball tool to embed that pink in there. I already baked my Tiggly, so the orange clay is hard. If yours is not baked, you can make these wires stick out a little longer and go into the head further, which makes it more stable. If it's already baked like mine, just leave a little bit sticking out. That'll go into the little band you already put on there. Again, I'm just using the fan tool to get that furry texture. And once I get those kind of shaped and all furry like I want them to, I'm going to da 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 da. Alright, we're just kind of finishing up with the fuzzy on the tail. There's that cute little Easter bunny kitty. Tiggly's so happy to be Easter bunny. Alright, now we want to get the tan clay and soften it up, knead it, roll it, smoosh it around. We just need a little bit of that to make the handle. So just cut off a little part and roll it into a snake, flatten it a little bit, make sure it doesn't stick to anything. Now we need the number 8 ball tool from the Claymate Creator tool set of mine. You could also use like your own thumb or like a large rounded marker that's, rounded on the end, or anything really you have around that's like hard plastic or metal that's rounded. But yeah, just your own thumb could work too. And once you have kind of a bowl shape, I'm just kind of turned it upside down to flatten the edges a little bit. Now I'm gonna take my little spatula knife tool and make some diagonal crisscross. So I'm just going like left and right diagonally to make sort of a row. And I'm just doing 3 or 4 little marks in there lightly. And on the second row, I'm gonna do horizontal and vertical. It doesn't really matter as long as you're just doing like little patches in different directions to kind of get that basic wicker look. I'm not doing anything intense or too precise, just kind of that illusion of wicker. And then I'm gonna do the same thing here along the handle. And set those aside. And I'm gonna take all of the other clay, and from each color, oops, I dropped the egg. Good thing it's not a real egg. So just roll up some little eggies, different colors. I'm really working hard to get that tapered egg look there. So I'm just first gonna roll an egg in each color. So you could do it however you want with the clay that's there, or if you have leftover clay from other kits, that could be fun too. You could make like those little peeps out of that yellow clay. Or if you have some brown from another kit, you could make a chocolate bunny. Now I'm gonna use just little bits of the clay to make like stripes and polka dots and stuff and decorate these eggs. Another thing that you could do, you can use acrylic paints and you can use like Sharpie markers on this clay once it's baked. So you could just make eggs and then bake them, and once they're cooled down, you could paint or draw your own designs on them. That's kind of a fun thing to do too. I am just using the clay and doing some different simple designs, just stripes and dots. I'm just gonna make up all these little eggs, doing some super tiny little polka dots with all the colors for the white egg. Little tiny polka dots. And this one I do kind of a Charlie Brown wave. Oh, he's so cute. Tiggly's so happy to be Easter Bunny this year and have his cute little basket of eggs. He's waiting patiently just off the screen for his eggs. My real Tiggly thinks this is so silly. Put some pink stripe on there. Match my nails. Gotta be matchies. Alright. There's my eggies. Now I'm gonna put the handle on. I'm just gonna smooth the edges down so the clay is nice and connected. There we go. Tiggly, you got your basket of eggs. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. There we go.